Moringa plant is one of the hardiest outdoor plants. It's very easy to grow a bushy moringa plant. You just need to follow a few things, and in this video we will see what are some moringa plant care tips to grow a lot of leaves. So let's know about them, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing to consider while growing a moringa tree in the ground or in the pot is its growing season. It's a summer's plant. Hot environment helps it grow really well, while in cool weather the growth stops and yellow leaves appear. Sometimes all the leaves falls off, but it's only due to the cold weather. The growing season of moringa plant starts in the springs and continues all summers. But as the winter starts, the plant goes dormant. Dormancy means it's the resting time of the plant. It won't grow during this time, but it will stay alive. If the temperature drops a lot, you can also move your moringa plant pot under a shade or move it indoors. This will help it stay alive. Overall, summer's hot weather is very ideal for fast growth of moringa leaves. If you wanna plant a moringa tree, do it in springs and get a lot of growth all summers. Another important thing in moringa plant care is its soil media. Moringa plant is hardy. It can survive well in most kind of soil mixes, but the most ideal mixture is a well-draining and a little bit loose mixture. And making an ideal soil media for moringa plant is very easy. If the soil media of your moringa plant is wet all the time, growth won't happen. Same way, a compact soil media will limit the growth of your moringa plant. You can make a good soil media at home. Just follow the description box video for that, and do subscribe to our channel. Another important thing in moringa plant care is to place it in an ideal spot where it can get a good amount of sunlight. It's an outdoor plant that grows huge, so obviously sunlight is very important for its growth. If you have a potted plant, you can place it in an open area with 2 to 3 hours of minimum sunlight. While if you provide more sun, that would be even better. For planting it outdoors, use a sunny spot. Deficiency of sunlight causes a lot of problems like yellow leaves, stunted growth, etc. So better to provide it a lot of direct sunlight. Another thing you can do is the pruning of your moringa plants. By trimming off its younger shoots, you can let the plant make more branches, and more branches results into more leaves. Pruning also keeps the plant in shape, enhance the immune system of a plant, and much more. So why not use a sharp and clean cutter, chop off the growing heads a little. You can use hydrogen peroxide to clean it. It's linked in the description box to buy. Another important moringa plant care tip is its fertilization. It's obvious the nutrients of the soil turns into leaves, so for more leaves, soil should have more and more nutrients. So for this, a good fertilizer is the basic requirement. Deficiency of a single element causes issues, so better to use a fertilizer every 2 weeks. You can use any nutrients-enriched fertilizer. I use this homemade fertilizer. It works really well. Video on this fertilizer is linked in the description below. Follow that to make and apply this fertilizer on moringa plant, and do subscribe to our channel. One key thing for a potted moringa plant is the yearly repotting. If your plant is growing well, new leaves are appearing, then definitely new roots are growing in the pot too. And next year when the roots are all over the pot, plant will need a new pot with more space in it. So for this, you can do the repotting once a year. The best time for this is springs and rainy days. A proper repotting guide is also added in the description box. You can follow that. Moringa plant is also attacked by pests. Leaf miners, spider mites can attack. You can keep an eye on your plant. Early identification helps a lot. You can also use Neem pesticide. It will prevent all kind of pests from your plants. A thorough Neem spray once a week will keep all kind of pests away. Video on making Neem is linked in the description box. Yellow leaves are also common on moringa plant. They could be due to shortage of nutrients, less sunlight, or compact soil media. But if you follow these care tips, yellow leaves won't appear. It's all about moringa plant key care tips. Follow and get most out of your plant. And here is a detailed video on another hardy plant, which is ponytail palm. You can follow if you like to, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.